Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a mouth-watering quesadilla without the tortilla. So let's get started. Ingredients: 1 diced onion W, 5 mini peppers diced, F1 skinless chicken thighs, 1 tea minced garlic HA, Badia Tropical seasonings SUWAM, 2 cups cheese, or scallions, 1 head cauliflower.
First things first, we always start with an onion. Yours does not have to be purple, but we are dicing 1 onion, or you can leave it just like that with the slices. It's up to you. Next, we're cutting up our peppers. I used 5 mini peppers. You can use 1 whole large pepper. That's up to you. I prefer a yellow or orange pepper, but if you want to put green in this, that's up to you too. We are going to saute these bad boys in 2 tablespoons of oil. We're also going to add a pinch of salt and a tablespoon of my homemade minced garlic. Please click on the link and watch that episode. Time to add 5 browned chicken thighs, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I had already had these in the fridge. I know, crazy. The night before, I was making them for a different meal, and I thought, why not make some extras? So I browned them and then just put them in the back of the fridge because I knew they weren't cooked all the way. So these ended up being a super easy way for me to combine cooking and make my life easy. Let's get this cauliflower cut up. We're gonna start cutting it in half. And then do you see this core here? We are gonna get rid of that. Now, if you cut too much of the core out, all your flowerets are gonna fall out. So you don't wanna cut it too deep in. Just get that tough middle part out. There you go. Exactly. And get rid of those little pieces of leafy stuff there at the top. We don't need that. Now we're going to cut it into a quarter and slice it. This is a great way to get your broccoli cooked quicker, like that. And now if you want to do steaks, do a whole half, and that'll get you more of the steak effect, and those are good for roasting. After we get all these pieces nice and sliced up and to where they're going to cook on a more even level, now we're going to place them all in the bottom of a 9x13 pan. This is going to be so tasty, guys, and you're not even really going to be able to taste the cauliflower. It was delicious. Get all those little pieces and get them in your pan. There you go. I forgot to slice up that green onion. 4 green onions. This is for the topper. It just gives it that extra fresh punch at the end. So tasty to have those fresh punches. This stuff is optional. Sometimes I pat dry certain vegetables because they get a little soggy with all that water on there. And so if you cut them, when they're leaking some water, you can even put a little salt on there to have it pull out the water. I'll just pat it dry. Let's get back to cooking. On the cauliflower, I'm sprinkling the secret seasoning that has the orange cap. That's the one for vegetables and stews and rices. Super tasty. When I made the chicken, I browned it with the green cap seasoning mix. Absolutely delicious on meats. Now let's add our sauteed mixture to this pan. Looking really good here. Get it all evenly dispersed. I decided to add a little more of the green cap Sazon seasoning and really bring those flavors on home. And now what makes a quesadilla a quesadilla? Lots of cheese. I was being a little lazy and bought some shredded cheese. Normally I don't. This is a Mexican blend mix. After you get all your cheese on, then put it in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. We're just trying to get that cauliflower cooked, so just check it occasionally to make sure it's fork tender. And here it is. Sprinkle your green onions on it, and then we are just going to serve this bad boy up. And I tell you, I'm going to say it again, all my friends love this dish.
Ready to shed those extra pounds and reclaim your confidence? Discover the proven secrets to natural weight loss and say goodbye to stubborn belly fat for good. Click the link in the video description below to access our exclusive guide and start your journey to a healthier, happier you. Don't wait, your transformation begins now. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like